How to convert Binance entity account to personal account. Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step whether it is possible to convert your entity account to personal account on Binance. So after you open the Binance app, go to menu at the top left side. After you open the menu, go to more services. So from these services, now go and search for convert account or change account. So however, for now Binance doesn't allow you to change your account from entity to personal account. The only way you can do it now, you can go ahead now and deactivate or delete your current account. After that, you can go ahead and recreate another new account with your information. To do that, after you open your Binance app like this, now go to this menu at the top, go to your profile, go to settings, go to security. After you come to security, scroll to down, go to manage account. So from this option, you can go ahead and disable the account or delete the account. After you delete the account or disable the account, from there you can go ahead and recreate another new account with your information. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.